In this video, I'm going to teach you how to search people's pictures on Google Photos. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is the latest version of the Google's Photos app, so make sure you update the app accordingly before following through with this video. After you ensure that you are running the latest version, open it up, and to see the search for people's pictures, we need to turn on the option. So click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and go into the Photos settings. In here, what we have to enable is the option Group Similar Faces. It's the fourth option from the top. All you have when you click on it is this option of face grouping, and after you turn it on, as you can see, check in search later to see your photos organized by faces. And as long as you have pictures in your Google Photos albums with people in them, you should be able to find them within this search function. All you have to do is scroll down and they will be grouped by their faces. As you can see, I have none, but this is because I haven't taken any pictures in my Google Photos app. If you have pictures with people in them, they should be grouped by their faces here, and you can also manually tag them by opening up each individual picture and selecting their faces. I hope I was able to help you on how to search people's pictures on Google Photos. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.